In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mass delete records in Salesforce. If you've been using Salesforce for a while, you know how cluttered things can get. Whether you're clearing out outdated leads, cleaning up your data, or just doing some good old-fashioned data maintenance, knowing how to efficiently mass delete records can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and streamline your Salesforce data management. First, head over to your Salesforce homepage. Here you'll find an option called Quick Settings, which allows you to access various configurations with ease. Simply give it a click, and then look for the option that says Open Advanced Setup. Once inside, over on the left, you'll see a Quick Find box. This will be your best friend as you navigate through the setup process. Type in Mass Delete Records. Once it appears, click on it. Now you're ready to move on to the actual Mass Delete function. When you arrive at the Mass Delete Records page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options and capabilities available. This tool is designed to allow you to delete large numbers of records at once, a task that can otherwise be quite time-consuming if done manually. Before you go any further, it's crucial to understand what will happen when you mass delete your leads. It's always a good idea to have a backup of your data before making any irreversible changes. Now, let's move to step 1. Review what happens when you mass delete your leads. Deleting records is permanent and cannot be undone. Always double-check that you're selecting the correct records before proceeding. Next, before you mass delete, let's talk recommendations. It's advisable to back up your data and ensure that the leads you plan to delete are no longer needed. One way to verify is by setting criteria to find specific leads, which brings us to step 3. Specify the criteria for the records you wish to delete. Salesforce lets you finely tailor your selection criteria, enabling you to choose only the records you want to remove. Once you've set your criteria, you can search and select the leads matching this. Remember, the most critical part is making sure the criteria accurately reflect the data you intend to delete. After you've found and confirmed the leads to delete, focus on the option to permanently delete. Understand that checking this box means you won't be able to recover the records from the recycle bin. So, be sure this is what you want. After deciding, check the box of the file you wish to permanently delete, ensuring it's the correct one. Finally, click on the Delete button. The records will be removed from your Salesforce database. And that's it! With these steps, you'll be able to efficiently manage and clean your Salesforce data. Cleaning your records not only keeps your system organized, but also enhances your workflow efficiency. Thanks for tuning in.